If you see what we can see, then adventure waits for all of us. There's a place that we should be. Come along, 'cause it's high tide and we can't lose. Come and drift away with us.
So today we're here at the boat. Beautiful day. It was high tide. I think it was like a 8.4 or something like that. So we've had quite a bit of water. I'm not sure if she was floating because I wasn't here at high water. But primary objective is to try and dig some channels so the water drains. Because on the starboard side of the boat, the water collects all down here, and then it can't really get out. Well, it can up to a certain level. So I'm going to be trying to cut some more channels. You can see a channel down there now. So trying to cut some more channels so the water drains away better. But you can see it's actually holding water all the way down there now. So that's the plan. I think the best way, or the best solution I can think of at the moment is actually using water. So if I like blast it with lots and lots of water, then we can hopefully cut a channel. So that's the theory anyway. The main objective is to try and dry her out is for the painting party, because as we saw, we struggled on the port side, but the starboard side isn't worse, so we need to try and drain the area. And everyone keeps saying to put on hard, so if we can dry her out with it, it'd be more than the hard, won't it? Beautiful day. One of my first jobs is to put a dam in the runoff down there. So go all the way through my pump close. Unfortunately, I need to go down now into the mud and put a dam in. Cool. We now got simulated rain or whatever. As you can tell, well, you can't tell, I don't know. But it is actually a lot firmer. I couldn't stand there the other week. And then the more to the hole you get, the softer it is. So the plan is now to dig this channel out more. And I think our water's working quite well. Oh, very fluffy. And we're doing a lot of backing into it. It's all good. And hopefully we catch it with a fall. Nice steady stream coming along. Get that a bit deeper now so all the groundwater goes away. I'm out of breath already. I've done like 10 minutes of digging. I'm gonna go and put it on the time lapse over there, I think. So a quick update. I'm not fell over yet, that's good. So we've got a nice river. Chugging along quite nicely. I've made a channel up there towards the hole because it was all collecting like along there into the hole, but it's still holding water, so you can see it's still holding, so I need to blast some of that out. And we've got a river coming up here now. And then I've made another channel Well, increase the channel here, and down there you can see a bit of aluminium sticking out. That's actually our stabiliser mount. So now, plan is to dig another channel along here to meet that channel there. Let's see what happens. I better sink it. Boring. Time lapse again, I think. So we're doing it for an hour and a half, something like that. Well deserved brew break, I think. As you can see, we've got a ditch there. The water's been off for a while. I keep trying to chase me high spots, but you can still see it draining off. I've just made a complete mess of the ground, but the tide should fix that. So it's all draining off quite nice now. It's not too bad, do you know what I mean? But it's just you got to be careful of your steps. When you go to the port side now and try and like create some drainage ditches there, because there's still a few lot of wet bits around there. So. See, I'm moving alright. Still a lot to do. It's amazingly tiring quilting around in the mud, like. So, pointy steps all the way down here. Basically, still underwater. Washing your hands with like black muddy water. So, it might not look like it, but we've created quite a few ditches. So this one here is like the last one. You can see that's running away down there. We've made a ditch here. It's going all the way down here now. And then another one along here, because it was just all collected all down there, the water. So, and we made the drainage better on this side here. Look at the view. It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? The sunset. If you can see like some hills in the background. We've got Surrender, Battleship Grey. So yeah, I think we've done the best we can. The tide's going to come in. It's going to fix quite a bit of it, but it should sort of level it a bit. But I've dug drainage ditches around the other side, and so they've not filled themselves back in, if that makes sense. Just make it a bit more passable, and we will be doing like a lot of work on the outside, won't we? So it's going to make our life a lot easier. Time will tell. I think we're going to bring a load of pallets as well, so we can all sort of stand on pallets and stuff like that. But just make our life a bit easier, won't it? Cool.